When I came into the building, I was surprised how big it was. You can see everything from the beginning to now, also into the future. So you can see the whole bus generation from the first carriage also up to the coaches that you see today and the bus for the future.
We are here today in the Yutong Museum. I have to admit that it is very impressive. It presents the detailed history of Yutong in a very modern and technology innovative way. Except the Yutong's history, it presents also the bus history generally. It is very interesting, and everybody who is interested in the bus business and the bus industry should visit it.
And I have seen the development of Chinese roads and the bus operation coming with that. I have been blown away by this museum. I have never seen anything like it, and I'm never going to forget this experience.
Yeah, I do think it's impressive, the investment in R&D that you do to make sure your components and your buses are high quality standards. I did not expect to be this professional at these high levels. Coming from the bus manufacturing industry and having that background, I'm really impressed with what I saw today.
I see that the quality is really high and the production is really professional. The factory is uncomparable to the other factories which are existing in the field of new energy buses. So I think that Yutong Bus is a really top level.
It's very important to see with our own eyes what happens in a production center, and here it's very interesting because it's very much automated, so we can see what's the new upgrades of technology when it comes to bus manufacturing.